Hey y'all, I got it set up, washed out, cleaned out. Now we are ready to rock and roll. And you are my witness. If this don't work, it's going back to the manufacturer. Alrighty, so I'll put my juice, we're doing celery first and then beets. And it said don't put a lot of stringy ones in there at the same time, so I'm just only going to put a few. But I got to find out how to turn it on. That might help, huh? Okay, on. Alright, it's on. Is it waiting on me to put something in there? I guess it is, because it says on, off, on. Okay. How come I don't hear anything? I'm used to hearing something. Alright. Okay, let's see what this says. Please rotate the handle to the pointed arrow to lock the container properly. That's where it's supposed to lock. Okay, so that's where it is. And please rotate the handle to the pointed arrow to lock. It's not locking. Why is it not locking? I couldn't tell you. I don't know. Do I have it in here wrong? No, you see these arrows? They're supposed to line up. Now put it in like that, but it's not locking. And I know from having juicers before, it should lock. Is that in right? Why are you? Oh, there you go. See, just got to play around with it a little bit. All right, got it locked, so it's on. I don't hear it, but let's see what happens. Is it that quiet that we won't hear it? Okay, let's see. I don't think that's on. I should at least hear it. And I know this plug works, so I don't hear it. Shouldn't you hear it? Okay. I think I'm going to cut this off, try another plug, and see what happens, and I'll be right back.